Nigeria, a nation on the west coast of Africa, holds a prominent position in the global oil and gas market. With vast reserves of these resources, Nigeria has become Africa's largest oil producer and a key player in the international energy arena. The country's economy heavily relies on oil and gas exports, making it a crucial sector for Nigeria's overall development. However, despite its immense potential, Nigeria faces various challenges in fully harnessing the benefits of its energy resources. Nigeria's journey in the oil and gas sector began in 1956, when oil was discovered in commercial quantities at Oloibiri. This discovery marked a turning point in the nation's history, transforming it into a major oil-producing country. Since then, Nigeria has witnessed significant growth in its oil and gas production, attracting foreign investments and contributing significantly to its GDP. However, this growth has also been accompanied by a range of challenges, including environmental degradation, corruption, and social unrest. Despite the challenges, Nigeria's oil and gas industry presents numerous untapped opportunities for economic growth and development. The country possesses vast reserves of both crude oil and natural gas, estimated at over 37 billion barrels and 200 trillion cubic feet respectively. These reserves offer the potential for increased production, revenue generation, and job creation. Nigeria's young and growing population presents a significant opportunity for the oil and gas sector to create employment opportunities and contribute to poverty reduction. Furthermore, the industry has the potential to attract foreign direct investment, bringing in much-needed capital and technology to the country. Nigeria's strategic location along the Gulf of Guinea makes it a convenient hub for exporting oil and gas to international markets, particularly in Europe and North America. The country's membership in OPEC further strengthens its position in the global oil market. By implementing appropriate policies and reforms, Nigeria can capitalize on these opportunities to drive economic growth, create jobs, and improve the living standards of its citizens. Despite the vast potential, several challenges hinder the full realization of Nigeria's oil and gas industry's potential. One of the most significant challenges is corruption, which has plagued the sector for decades. Transparency International consistently ranks Nigeria low in its Corruption Perceptions Index, indicating a high level of perceived corruption in the public sector, including the oil and gas industry. This corruption manifests in various forms, including bribery, embezzlement, and lack of transparency in revenue management. Another significant challenge is the lack of adequate infrastructure, particularly in the Niger Delta region where most of the oil and gas reserves are located. The region suffers from a lack of pipelines, refineries, and other critical infrastructure, leading to crude oil theft, pipeline vandalism, and environmental pollution. Moreover, the industry faces environmental concerns, particularly in the Niger Delta, where oil spills and gas flaring have caused severe damage to ecosystems, livelihoods, and human health. Addressing these challenges is crucial for Nigeria to unlock the full potential of its oil and gas industry and ensure sustainable development. The government needs to implement comprehensive policy reforms to promote transparency, accountability, and good governance in the sector. This includes strengthening regulatory frameworks, improving revenue management systems, and tackling corruption at all levels. Investing in modern infrastructure, particularly in the Niger Delta, is essential to reduce crude oil theft, minimize environmental damage, and enhance production efficiency. This includes constructing new pipelines, refineries, and gas processing plants. Nigeria also needs to prioritize environmental sustainability by adopting cleaner technologies, promoting renewable energy sources, and enforcing stricter environmental regulations. By embracing these solutions, Nigeria can create a more sustainable and prosperous future for its people while harnessing the immense potential of its oil and gas resources.